the only cafe in Slovenia where you have to cook your own food. And it's the spiciest food ever. I'm launching a brand new, independent and honest review series called Food Patrol. No paid promotions, just a fair and real look at restaurants and cafes across Slovenia. I'll be rating each place using 6 criteria on a 10-point scale, with an average score at the end. Let's start with Asian hot pot BBQ in Ljubljana. First criterion, uniqueness and overall impression. The key feature of this place is that you cook your own food, either hot pot or BBQ, and even mix your own sauce. I really enjoy the concept. My rating, 10. Second, atmosphere and comfort. The restaurant doesn't have its own parking, but there's a public paid one in the back. As for the interior, it's quite plain, especially for an Asian restaurant. I feel like they didn't fully develop the atmosphere. My rating, 4. Third, food. You'll find a wide variety here, from meats to seafood and vegetables. I recommend choosing a set depending on the group size. You also pick your own soup base, from mild mushroom to the spiciest broth you've ever tried. For me, this is a clear 10. Fourth, price and quality. I've visited 5 or 6 times and the food has always been fresh and tasty. However, I do feel the prices are a bit too high. My rating, 7. Fifth, cleanliness and hygiene. I've been here a few times, so I'll judge based on my overall experience. Today it's clean and staff is tidying up, but that's not always the case. When it gets busy, the place can get messy. The toilet isn't a strong point. One urinal has been out of order for over a year. My rating, 4. Sixth, service. Every time I've been here, the staff has been polite, friendly, and helpful. No complaints at all. My rating, 10. So, Asian hot pot BBQ is a great place for group dinners, birthdays, family celebrations, or even a date night. You might even find out how your partner handles cooking. Final Food Patrol score, 7.5 out of 10, and a definite recommendation to visit.